So most people solve this question like 10 plus 1 is equal to 11, right? Then 11 times 6 is equal to 66. Now 66 divided by 66 is equal to 1, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, here we have one division, here multiplication, and here we have one parenthesis, right? So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve this parenthesis. So now 66 divide 6. Now solve this parenthesis. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. So multiply 11, right? Now here we have one division and here multiplication. So multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division, right? So 66 divided by 6 is equal to 11 times 11. Now 11 times 11 is equal to 121, right? So the correct answer is 121. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.